is the link to log in into Odia language. Okay, cil-ntsindia.net/Odia. So once you put that URL, you will be getting a screen like this. You have to give your email ID what you have registered. So your mobile number will be the password. So after this, you will be getting one screen. The first parameters, this screen consists of 6 tabs: IFC particulars, Odia language. Aspect number means you can type initially, or else you can select language. So in the language, major component, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantic, like that it will come. So if you go to that segmental features, major, minor, subcomponents will be get displayed. Suppose if you are writing inputting question in literature, means you should select literature. Like that you can select. Now you are not writing any question on personality. Okay, suppose link will be sent to you, madam. Link will be sent in a chat box as well as in we will send the link, madam. 1 second.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We'll send the link now only.
But it is in chat box, sir. I already sent.
So you have already sent. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose you can, if you are writing question item on single sounds, means you select single sound and click on the button next. Okay. If you select language, means dimensional problem will come: form, structure, meaning, and usage function. Suppose if you are writing on a literature, means this dimensional problem will change. Specific, like the trend sequences, classification categories, like that it will get changed based on your selection. So after selecting the dimensional problem, so you should click on next button. Then it will go to administering details and instruction to examine. About this administering details and instruction to examine, Shakuntala madam, she has already told. Suppose if you want to write anything, means for example, I am giving in English only, this instruction to examine, like that I will get. So I'll copy and paste. I'll click on next button. Here you can see. So item format. Item format means there are two types of item formats. One is objective and one more is subjective. Suppose if you are writing question item on objective, means there will be 5 options: constant alternative, multiple choice, and multiple facet. Right now you cannot do any question item on multiple facet, and matching and rearrangement. Likewise in subjective, simple questions, completion, short answer, long answer, problem solving, and transformation. Like that, it is a category is there. So now I will select on constant alternative. So what do you have typing English? Simply the same question stem, so you have to type it there, and so I will put the option yes or no. Okay, constant alternative. So answer key as yes. So for the constant alternative question, yes or no or true or false will be there. Like that, this carries 1 mark, and student can answer this question in 1 minute, like that, and scoring procedure as enumerative. So objective, question writer intention, Shakuntala madam, she has already explained that you need to type here. Okay, then you click on next. You will go to the last tab, that is called item format. We have already selected. And what type of question? Here you can select. This is written question or oral question. This can be asked for oral and written questions. So now we will select written question. If you go to if you click on education level, so there will be 7 levels of education, starting from L1 primary to L1 research, L1 primary, L1 upper primary, secondary, higher secondary, graduation, and post-graduation and research level. So simply I am selecting L1 primary as the question, and rationale, what we are going to write about this question, it's rationale. So you need not worry about the choice index, facility value, discrimination index, mean ability index, and level of pre-validation level. That is, you need not do anything. Just by clicking this submit button, this question item will be saved in the database. Okay. So if you want to view this question, what and all you have typed means, so you should click on this triangle button. So then you should click on the view profile. So click on the tab task. So there is a one option is there, view edit question item. Click to view question item means what and all. Just now I have typed the, you can, sorry. So if you click on view means that will come in an IFC format of 10 within 10 parameters. This aspect number I have selected in Genesis, and the dimensional program specific I have selected yes or no type of question, and 1 marks carries 1 marks, and enumerative, constant alternative, rational, like that. Suppose if you want to take printout means, just you can, by clicking this, you can take printout also. If you click print button means it will be stored like in PDF format. The same way you can edit your question item. So by clicking edit button, see instruction to examine. So this I want to, something is wrong here. Okay, I want to change means only I will put instruction. Okay, and this question item is there. Whatever you want to change, you go to that particular button and click. After doing the changes, click on preview. See that and all I have changed. And if I click on update means that question item will get updated. So again, if you want to see means go to task, view, here view, see this question, instruction, what and all I have done the changes, that and all is updated. Thank you very much.